Scale Titles, a simple but very useful text animation pack that can bring boring footage to life. Let's say we have this beautiful drone shot with text appearing animation. Good, but boring. Let's add a few of our scale titles. It's super easy to work with. Just go to the library, click on the pack, pick the item and click Add. You can see the item ends sooner than the composition. We do not want that to happen. So just adjust the duration and uncheck the animation out box, keeping only the in animation. Now change the text and font. You can also adjust the tracking a little, and let's slam it right onto the first line. You can change the color to something more playful, something like 1BB676, and the text color to white. Now let's fix the container a bit, making it a bit wider and thicker. Nice. We need to dream bigger and travel further, so add 2 more titles with different text and colors. Now it's fun. So, do I use it only as a text sticker? Not really. You can use it for anything. Let's say a name tag for your host. You can also work with our products in Premiere. So let's do that with this one, just for the flex. Let's change the alignment so the animation goes from the left side, and turn off the round corners. Now we need to pick an interesting font. Something like this. And let's go with black for the name and bold for the subtitle. Now change the color. We aim for that cool green on black design. Perfect. But we can go even further with this one. Trust me. Go back to the library. Go to Placeholders and pick the icon item. You can change the icon to anything you want. To import your media, just drag it from the project panel to Properties, right into Placeholder section. You can also adjust the icon however you want. The only thing left to do is get rid of the round corners. And fix the position by moving it somewhere around here. Great, but it is still missing something. Let's change the starting position of the animation, so both items starts from the same point. And just like that, you've got yourself a pretty awesome name tag in a few minutes. Okay, it's super simple and all that, but what if we need something more complex? Something like this. Don't worry, there is no limit to your creativity. Let me show you a very quick demonstration. Take this simple scale title. You can use it as a mask for your footage. Duplicate the layer and turn off the background color. Perfect. And as a final touch, put some background behind it. And just like that, you have designed a complex piece in just a few clicks. Try it yourself. Check it out at mrhorse.com.